Or, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to discuss clarifying shampoos. A bunch of my clients had some questions about when or if they should use a clarifying shampoo and will it strip their color. So 99.9% of the clarifying shampoos from professional brands will not strip your color. They are actually color safe. So if you're one of the girls who like to go every 4 or 5 days, maybe even 6 or 7 in between blowouts, you're gonna probably need a clarifying shampoo or do like 10 shampoos to get rid of all that dirt and oil that got built up in your hair and on your scalp. One way around that is to get a clarifying shampoo. So it's a little stronger of a shampoo. It just a lot of times really suds up nice. It has the ability to get rid of all those oils on your scalp. But more importantly, what a clarifying shampoo does is it helps get rid of the mineral buildup in your hair. So if you have well water, if you have tap water, if you have hard water at home, there's going to be a buildup on your hair or inside of your hair of minerals. That can affect the color sometimes, or affect the way the color takes, or the way your hair will lighten. So we have a couple different brands here. We use Truss Miracle as a clarifying shampoo, and we also use Suds Effects, their Nirvana. Both are color safe. Both do a great job of cleaning the hair, getting rid of those minerals. So if you have a hard time styling your hair, or you feel like there's a buildup of product in there, or just a buildup of dirt or sweat because you do go every 4 or 5 days, do yourself a favor, get a really good clarifying shampoo, and that should help solve that problem. All right, guys, hope that brought you some value and gave you a little insight on what exactly a clarifying shampoo will do for you. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below, and I will see you guys next time.